Good afternoon, everyone. This is James from Dividend Stock Talk, where we talk about dividend stocks and investing for weekly and monthly cash flow. Today is, oh my goodness, the 27th of October. It is Friday. It is 3:39. We got 20 minutes before the market closes. Shouldn't take us long to go through the positions that we're in and find out where we are, what we're going to do, and what the plan is for next week. If we have to carry some positions in the next week, or do we just cash out and take our profits? That being said, let's jump on in and see what we got working. All right, first of all, let's take a look at our options and see what we're looking at here. Don't make me happy camper. All right, it's up with the very first one. Looks like we have two of them that are out of the money, ZTS and CVS. All right, well, let's check the other ones. BK is the first on our list. BK, which is the Bank of Mellon Corporation. Now, they seem to have had a, looks kind of like a doji to me. You know, it doesn't really, opened up at 5207, and right now she's at 5206. And what is our position on Bank of Mellon? 52 and 5250. All right, well, if this thing doesn't go over 52.50, we do have the option of buying it at 52. All right, so we will see what happens there, because right now there's not much money left. It's not worth very much. Okay, it's in the money by not by much. All right, C, which is Citigroup. Citigroup had, I don't know if you want to call this an up day when she actually opens lower than she closed the date before. All right, so we're at 73.75, and where are we in our position? We got the 73 and the 73.50. All right, so we're 25 cents into the money here, so that one's going to be all profit. So that's a good one. CVS, what is going on with CVS? Holy cow. Another down day, 68.23. What the heck's with that? All right, there's no saving grace on that one. All right, so we definitely lost money on CVS. Hasbro. Hasbro's been my godsend for the year. Like really nice on Hasbro. Now Hasbro has their dividend coming up next week. So we played it last week. We made money on it last week. We played it this week, and apparently making money on it this week. Hasbro, our position's at 91.5, 92. She's at 97, so I don't even bother looking at that one. Lowe's is next. Lowe's had a down day today. That is not good at all. All right, so we get the 80, 80, 50. So as long as she stays above 80, 50, we will make money on our spread, the 80, 80, and 80, 50 spread. But we're not going to sell out the 200 shares. Now, we could sell out the 200 shares if we buy back the 81 call and just sell this at 80.64, which is at the money at this moment in time. But let's see how much that 81 call is going for. Ooh, 3 cents. It's either that, or I can just hold it one more week. All right, so the 81. I can buy for 3 cents. Okay. And next week's 81.50 is going for 35. So I'm gonna wait until next week and sell 2 more of the 81.50s for Lowe's. Okay, so that way, let's open this up again. All right, So we get the 200 shares at 80.50. And we sold two 81s, for these 200 shares at 43. So that was just plain old profit on that one. We could do the same again for next week, make some more money off of that. Now these are going to expire worthless as long as it stays above 80.50. And let's look at MS. Was that Morgan Stanley? Let's see what Morgan Stanley looks like. Morgan Stanley's at 50.05, and it's an update from yesterday. Where are we with Morgan Stanley? We get the 50.50. That's funny. The 50.50. All right, we bought the 50 call, and we sold the 50 and 50 cent call. So as long as she stays above the 50.50, then we'll make money. She's at 51.08, so that looks good. Pfizer, PFE. And down day for Pfizer. Wow, look at that. 4 down days in a row. Where are we with Pfizer? 35.5, 36. We could let it expire and not worry about it. What does Pfizer usually do this time of year? It usually goes up, because that's the reason why we looked at it in the first place. Yeah, it's supposed to be going up. Next week should go down just a little bit. So I really don't want to carry this one into the next week. And then maybe the week after. But not next week. Alright, so looks like we're losing money on 3 of them. That's not good. Okay, Schwab, Charles Schwab. Let's see how that's doing. SCHW. Charles Schwab had a down day today. 44.98. And where are we with Charles Schwab? Okay, 44.50. So as long as she stays above 44.50, we'll make money on Charles Schwab. So it kind of looks like that's where she's going to stay. Texas Instruments, TXN. Texas Instruments is at 97. That one I'm pretty sure we're way into the money on that one also. 92, 93. Yeah, she's at 73, 97, so that's way in there. Now ZTS, what's going on with ZTS? All right, they had an update, but that update doesn't help us. Not by a whole heck of a lot. 64.5, 65. There's no way in hell that thing's going up in the next 15 minutes, 13 minutes. Alright, so this one's a wash. Alright, so we're out on ZTS. There's 3 of them that are not looking very favorable. BK again, 52.50. I'm not sure about that one. Huh. Well, tell you the truth, guys, we got 3 losers. We got ZTS is not looking good. CVS is not looking good. BK is not looking good. But all the other ones are making money. So, although it looks good, we're down to 71, so we actually lost money this week from what it looks like. See if we have any questions. All right, no questions. Okay, so we lost 1,600 on BK, made money on CVS, Citibank, 73.81. That was good. CVS, we're out. Hasbro, I think we're in for Hasbro. 97. Alright, we got 92. Lowe's. 80.61. Stanley, 51. Pfizer was good, Schwab was good, TXM was good, CTS. So we lost money on 3. That does not make me a happy camper. Alright, let's see what we're looking at over here. Alright, so we're down to 4 positions, and we had a big down day on everything today. Look at that. We're up to 7,000 yesterday. Now we're down to 2,200. So today we were down $5,000. Macy's, big loser. SKT, that's a big loss for one day for SKT. Wait a second. SKT is down 1,400. Okay. So Clorox is down 300 for the day. Lowe's is down 450 for the day. Macy's dropped 2,700 for the day, and SKT is down 1,400 for the day. So those are not happy campers at all, by any shape or form. So that can't really do anything there, and we should be collecting dividends for Clorox and Lowe's this week, which offset this some, but not by a lot. Okay, so that's about all we're looking at the moment, because there's really nothing going on for the last 9 minutes of the day. You know, PK's at 52.10. Let's get this slide over a little bit. Alright, I want to be able to look at what I'm doing. Alright, 52. Okay, we'll lose money on that one. Alright, C. Citibank, 73.81. Alright, that one's good. CVS, toast. 69. Hasbro, we're weighing the money there. Lowe's, 80.58 for Lowe's. Alright, 80.57. We got 80.57, so hopefully she stays above 80.50 for the next couple of minutes. MS, Morgan Stanley is at 51.02. Alright, that one's good. Pfizer, PFE, 35.56. Wait a second, hold on. 35.56. I'm gonna end up owning Pfizer 35.50. Shit. Alright. Schwab, SCHW, 44.91, 44. So as long as she's about 44.50, we're good with Schwab. All right. Texas Instruments, they're way above 97. All right, way above that. ZTS, they're done. Okay, so BK, 52.10 out of that one. CVS out of that one. Lowe's, 6 cents in. And Pfizer, PFE 33, 35, 56. All right, so looks, it would appear to me we could end up owning 5,000 shares of BK. I don't think we can own anything of CVS. It's way too low. Yeah, 62, 69.21. Nothing on CVS. That's way out. Lowe's, as long as Lowe's stays above 80.55, $80.50, right? I see the $80.50. As long as it stays above $80.50 for the next 5 minutes, we'll be good to go. Pfizer, PFE, 35.56. All right, so it looks like we have 5,000 shares of Pfizer, 5,000 shares of Lowe's, and 5,000 shares of BK, which is Bank Mellon. Yep. All right. That's doable. Okay, because we have the dividends coming up in the next week. So we made a little bit of money this week, not a whole hell of a lot, but we are going to end up buying Pfizer, Lowe's, and Bank Mellon. So we're going to end up doing covered calls on those things first thing Monday. Either that, we're just going to down outright sell them, one or the other. But all that being said, let's see where we end up at the end of the day, and we are out here for now. Let's check and see if we have any questions. No questions. All right. So that all being said, this is James from Dividend Stock Talk. We have 4 minutes left. Let's quickly take a look at the other account and see what they're doing, even though they're not doing very much better. Clorox, CLX. CLX had a down day today. See that? That's not good. Lowe's had a down day today too. Macy's. What going on with Macy's? Macy's went from 21 down to 1968. Wow. It's like, I don't know. I can't say free fall because it's going very slow. SKT, Tanger Factories. Now, some strange reason, Tanger is to have 4 down days in a row, and they still have their, I don't even know when they have their dividend coming up. But anyway, needless to say, we're not selling them. We're just keep on holding them. Everybody knows who Clorox, Lowe's, and Macy's are. Tanger Corporation, I really don't know who they are, but we got an $11,000 loss with Tanger. Okay, you add all this back into the year-to-date profit loss, it gets up there. But we're not losing these. We're continuing to collect the the dividend every 90 days. Every 90 days on these 4 companies. All right. That's where we are, folks. There's really not more to go into because it's not really going anywhere, and that's just the way it is. All right, so this is James from Dividend Stock Talk. We will catch you tomorrow or later on tonight till we find out where everything settles. All right, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.